Welcome back to Wild Apple Homestead. Today we're kicking off our holiday bakes series with a cozy treat, homemade gingerbread graham crackers. These are perfectly crisp, full of warm gingerbread spice and naturally sweetened. Great for snacking or even making the best pumpkin pie crust ever. Let's start with the dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour, half a cup all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of cloves, and 1/2 teaspoon of each of baking soda and salt. Next, add 1/3 cup of coconut sugar for sweetness. Now for the wet ingredients. 1/3 cup of butter or coconut oil, 1/4 cup of molasses, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk, just until the dough comes together.
What? That's tomorrow, maybe. We'll see how Daddy feels up for it. We gotta get your guys' ornaments from Hobby Lobby too. You wanna watch what?
Mix it up until it forms a soft dough, not sticky, but easy to roll. Divide it in half and roll each piece between parchment paper until it's about 1/8 of an inch thick. Cut into rectangles or fun shapes for the kids. Use a fork to poke holes in the tops. That gives them the classic graham cracker look. It also helps them stay crispy. Slide them onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake at 350 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes until the edges are golden and your kitchen smells like Christmas. Let them cool completely. They'll crisp up as they cool. You can pack these in jars for holiday gifts, dip them in hot cocoa, or use them to make the most flavorful pie crust ever. And that's it, cozy, spiced, and simple. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe, tap that bell so you don't miss more holiday bakes and kids snack ideas from Wild Apple Homestead. Thanks for baking with us today, and we'll see you next time.